Go. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tigers Gaming here. Welcome back to another video. And yeah,
Hey guys,
I'm here. Hey, okay, so I'm here with Fan Fighter, and today, or Cameron, and today we're gonna play some Roblox. You ready, Cameron? Say it louder. Say it more enthusiastic.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna be playing some Island Royale on Cameron. Okay, I meant by Island Royale on Roblox. Okay, yeah, let's play. This video is only gonna be 15 minutes long. That's max. So we might not get a full game. So when we die, we'll just end here. Okay?
I don't know.
We don't know. We don't know yet. But we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. Maybe this video might even go out.
Maybe I'm gonna kill Logan.
Maybe not. Okay, we're going for duos. Yeah. This is like this. By the way, guys, I'm using a different microphone on my last recording video. And yeah, so this is my PS4 mic I use for my PS4 stuff, but this will be better.
Better than before.
Yes, it will. Okay, I'm in.
I'm not even in yet.
Okay, let's get my one out. Hey, wait, where's my stupid pickaxe? Load in! Oh my gosh, stupid pickaxe. I'm yelling because it won't load in. Come on, pickaxe, load in. Oh, thank you. Break, thank God. Ooh, look at that. I don't see you yet, but it doesn't matter. Do you see me? I know you are too. You know what his screen looks like, so maybe sometime or later we might do a video on his point of view. Yeah, because he might make his own channel. Yeah, we don't know that though. Yeah, we don't know that. You did? Yeah, okay, so where you want to go? Just tell me when to jump. Okay. Just don't jump out. Jump where people mostly won't go to. Oh, by the way, I can't zoom out or in, so that sucks. When do you want to jump? I'll just follow you. Yeah. Okay, I'm jumping out. I jumped out. I don't know, I just did. Wait, where you want me to go? Okay, mountain? Alright, I'm going. Okay, let's go. I'm trying to go. It doesn't let you slow down, so I'm going. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going up there. Okay, I see you're up there. Last call for the bus. I'm up here with you. Can you see me some stuff? I'll get some materials.
You can go down there. Or I'll get some weapons.
Okay, I'm just getting that.
Yep, not good. Yeah, I'm dead.
You're dead? Okay. Where's this guy? Yeah, I died.
What were you expecting to do there?
I don't know what to do, man.
Walk up to a guy with a gun with a pickaxe?
I don't know. Well, I didn't know what to do. I mean, if I walked away, he would just probably follow me and just kill me instantly. Because all I had was
Go up there.
I don't know. Just I had no other fate to do. I was thinking maybe I could kill him.
Guy upstairs.
I don't know. This is like I hate Fortnite. I JK. I love it. Shut up! No, I do. I love it. Send me an invite. It always does this. Listen. How do you? Okay. Accept it. There we go. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, shout out to Skeety Freddy Gaming. Go check out his channel, cause he awesome. I didn't forget that. I didn't do that. No, I didn't. Okay, yeah. So shout out to him. No, just go away. Go away. No, go away. Go away. No, what are you about to say?
Hashtag help hamster tacos.
Yes, help me. Say. Yeah, lacquer. Okay, my leg really just hurt from sitting this long. We were thinking about doing a Blockhouse video, but no!
These are your videos.
I know, because I didn't want to, alright? I want to play some Roblox. I haven't played it for a very long time, and I want to use this one.
You played it 2 days ago.
No, I mean on the video.
Oh, you haven't. This is your first Roblox video.
Like, no, that's not, this is my first, about a couple days from now. Stop smacking me! Don't touch me!
I haven't touched you at all.
No, that's not true. Haha, you got monetized. No. No!
There you go, guys. It has been confirmed on camera that hamster tacos is
Not true. I'm really smart. I'm in A group. You're in B group.
Okay. Is that supposed to mean something?
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
B group,
This stupid thing is not finding the flippin' match. This really does suck. I hate you. I hate you so much.
Thank you.
You wanna play a game after this? Might do a video. We'll do another Roblox video.
We might,
On this?
Yeah,
On this?
probably.
Not sure. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We'll make like part 1 and part 2.
Yeah, because that's not very long.
Yeah. This stupid thing's not loading. I'll pause in this whole thing. I'll see you guys whenever the thing comes. Okay, we are back and the match is starting now. I totally did not mess up. Shut up. I didn't do nothing.
He started 3 minutes before it started recording again.
I do that all the time. Like every single video I do, I just like start up.
Yeah, this is like the first time.
No, this isn't.
Does that mean you're worse of a YouTuber?
No, I'm the best YouTuber.
Yeah, okay, I'll believe that. In another dimension.
Okay, let's go grab Star. Dimensional scissors.
What the hell is that?
No, I do not. He watches anime, actually. Well, I know somebody. This is going Chester's here. No, it isn't. I never watched it. I only watch. There's Pokemon. Pokemon isn't. Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, Pokemon is an anime.
Yeah, but it's not like the bad anime. Like, they don't kiss.
What's the difference between a bad anime and a good anime?
There's like one bad and one good. I don't know. I mean,
Inappropriate?
yeah, one's inappropriate. That one isn't.
Then why'd you say bad? Some people would take that.
Oh my gosh, I need. Look what I got. I got something good. No, I got this. I got a gun. I got a gun.
You don't deserve a gun.
No, I do. Watch.
If you
Yeah.
did, then you would deserve a gun.
I mean, like, this is so much fun. I wish you had a mic. That would be so much fun.
But I don't even know if my headphones mic work.
I have a med kit too,
And
so.
someone just broke it. I hate them. And I landed on a tree. That's just great.
Okay, ready? Okay, so where do you want to go now? Let's go to a different spot.
We might. No, there's gonna be.
Let's go, like, way, like, right before it just. See that little red part right there? That red house right there? Look, Cameron, from my screen. See that little spot? That's where I gone. Okay, let's just wait. Wait until, like,
Mine hasn't rendered that far yet.
it's, like, right over there. Yeah, it's, like, right. No, let's just. No, it goes to somewhere a little bit smaller. Like, go into there.
It's a bigger city. It's a
Alright,
bigger
okay, let's
city,
just.
there's more
The farm. Okay. Don't drop
No,
yet.
I'm going to the big city.
Alright, I'm gonna get. Okay. I'll see you there. Drop now. Where are you at? I don't even see you. Yeah, I see you. You're right there. Yeah, you're right above me. Oh, you're going over there. I'm going over here. People might be. Come on, people try above me. Oh shoot, there's some people right here. Yeah, there's some people over here. Shoot. Help. Dude, we have a problem. I got a sniper. I mean, a gun. Sorry, I'm not the. Okay, mini potion. I'm right beside you. Have me some of this. Okay, I'm gonna. Wait, there's some. I am looting, but yet again, I'm really scared that the. Okay, there should be a chest around me. Where is it? I can right hear it. Here, it's like bursting into my ear. Where is it? Stupid shot. Where's it at? Oh my gosh, you know what's so funny? Once I played Fortnite before, and like, the funniest thing happened. I was looking around for a golden chest or legendary chest, And literally, the chest was right next to me the whole entire time. It was like, I'm like, say something, I'm giving. Where's the flippin' chest? Yeah, I'm grabbing guns that I don't even need. I got two of these. Let's grab these two. No, I need that gun. Let's just take this. How do you, take... I'm using the item. I'm using this.
I'm dead.
You are?
Help me.
I don't know where you're at.
Dude, it tells you where I am.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm dead.
Okay, yeah, well, shoot, that's bad.
It's all on you.
Okay, bud. Can't believe you died that easily and you paid more than me.
No, I shot a guy with a shotgun and it did 118 damage, and I shot a guy with a pistol that did 48 damage. I don't know how he was still alive, but...
Grabbing this too. Let's grab this. Okay. Hey, what? Yes, it was about to be 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm kind of sneaking around and seeing if there's anybody. Start around. Okay, storm is closing.
I'm gonna turn off my sensitivity.
Tell me if there's like, do you like spectator mode where you spectate people and see if they're close by? Okay, do that. Here, I'll drink some of my potions. How do you crouch again? Is it C? Yeah, it's C. Okay. Okay, no, only be 50%. I'll switch this out with this medkit, health kit. I could probably got you.
Yeah, I probably won't let me.
Sorry. Yeah. Just look around for people. If you see anybody on my screen, just tell me where they're at. Oh, there's somebody right there. Oh, there's somebody right there. Shoot. The guy's name?
Kill that guy. That's the guy that killed me. Okay, now shoot that guy. Good job, you did it.
Okay, there's someone behind me. Dang it. Okay.
Good try.
Okay, I killed 2 people. That was the first kills I ever got in a Fortnite game. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for today.
Yeah, boys.
You wanna do the outro?
Yeah, I don't know the outro though.
Just say anything.
Goodbye. Don't unsubscribe to nothing, and then subscribe to Hamster Tigers Gaming totally. And yeah, goodbye.